Blocking your emotions is equivalent to unplugging your Wi Fi router. And so, what happens when you block your emotions because you don't want to feel the bad emotions, and that there's no bad emotions actually, but we believe some of them are bad because they're unpleasant, like anger, shame, guilt, pain, grief. Because you don't want to feel that stuff, rejection, we block it. And then it blocks us from actually being able to feel the good ones, the joy, the excitement, the laughter, the friendship, all the support, the gratitude, all of those emotions, they're sort of a package deal. So you can't block the one and then only feel the good ones. You sort of numbing yourself out from feeling any of them. And that means that your delivery truck is stuck. It's not delivering your intentions or your mental things to the universe. So, blocking your emotions is equivalent to unplugging your Wi Fi router. So, we need to embrace this sort of full spectrum of emotional existence here on earth in order to be successful empaths, superheroes, as well as successful manifestors.